Should be a little better today. See what happens. I mean, I'm still up here. What are you gonna do? I mean, that's it. You see, I took it all. I mean, I took everything I can get. But it still ain't hurting nothing. Who gives a fuck? I'll get down here. I'm gonna back all the way up down there, down that other road. I'm not even going to use that back glass, man. I mean, we're going to be professionals today. Mirrors only. Looks like about slap in the middle, huh? Oh yeah. Alright, yes sir, baby. Gotta get it. Alright, drop some bags. We're not doing that right now. We're not picking that back up until I get separated. We'll get that when we get separated. Hopefully this fucking thing records the whole deal. I don't know. Hopefully it was charged up. With that fucking 320, I only need these fucking small chains, that's all. Little screen door chains that I call them. And then I use 2 for the bucket. This is what they're talking about when they say slinging fucking chains, baby. Let's get it. This truck, man, I'm telling you, it's still slow with the bags. I gotta take my time with it. As soon as that air stops going down, starts coming back up, we're good. Good money. Park over here. Just enough to block people, keep them out of my fucking way, you know? Alright. We'll drop that motherfucker right slap in the middle of the goddamn road. Come on. It'll be a minute before I get back on there. pretty much just a basic model 589. Love the color. Peterbilt did do a great job on the color. Gotta keep rubbing it in their fucking noses. Come on. Yes. Fuck them. Baby, ain't shit to this. This is an easy fucking thing. Look at that, left that goddamn door open again. What the fuck is going on? Feel the bounce on that cocksucker, baby? It's brand new. That's what brand new feels like. Come on. I gotta go over a little bit. That should be good. Alright. See, I'm way clear in the back. And then I just set it down there, barely touching that, man, barely, because I pulled the fucking chain down on it, you know what I mean? I don't want to fucking bang that all up, dent that all up already. You know what I mean? It's fucking brand new and all. Show a little class, cocksucker. Alright, get it. There he comes again with that fucking water truck, god damn it. Cuz, come on, you wait till I leave. Fucking idiot. I don't chain any, I don't bind anything down. I get my hardware ready to go. But I don't start putting the fucking, I'll start putting it to it until after I pick it up in the air. I just said, fucking twat. Fucker. That's alright, we'll get it. Come on, motherfucker. Stop shit. Come up here, man. You gotta use the chain. You might as well come up to where you should be, not down there, you know what I mean? Do it right. Right. Oh, come. Easy, guy. Almighty.